Hi YouTube, what's going on? So currently we are in a new year, and one of the most common questions I've been getting on our channel is that most people have been asking, Guy, how much did you earn on YouTube last year? It is quite simple. I earned approximately $6,900 from YouTube last year. And what you have to note is we started posting lots of content within the first few months of 2025, and it's already the end of the year, and this is how much we got from YouTube. I'm going to show you which niche we are currently at, and I'm also going to show you how many views I got during this time. Okay, so let me go straight to my computer and show you everything. All right, so as my screen is being shared, you can see that within the past, you can see that we started posting lots of content sometime around the 1st February 2025, and you can clearly see that we got a whooping 2.9 million views, okay, from that time till now. Okay, so we got a whooping 2.9 million views, and we also had a whooping 71,000 watch hours. We had 32,600 subscribers. Okay, as you can see, this is the name of our channel, The Venture Kings. All right, and let me just swipe to the right, and then we can see how much we got from YouTube during that time. So as you can see, so far we got a whooping $6,903 from YouTube during that time. Okay, and for those of you asking, what is our channel? For those of you that will be asking, what is our channel about? Okay, our channel is about money online, and it's also about informing people of businesses not to invest in, like online reviews. Okay, so that is what we've been making so far, and this is how much we got from YouTube. I think this is a mind-blowing opportunity for those of you who want to start making money from YouTube, and earning like me. You just have to find a niche, okay, make videos about on that same niche, and you're gonna get the views, you're gonna get the money. And just also tell you, make sure if you want to start the channel, you have to make sure you start with an idea about something you like doing, something you enjoy doing, even when nobody is paying you. Okay, because within the first few months, which you're not monetized, you're not gonna be earning any money. Okay, but due to the fact that this is what you like, you'll be posting more about those things. Okay, and at the end of the day, YouTube gets your channel monetized, and then you start earning some good amount of money. Okay, I think $6,900 is a considerable amount of money within some 9 months of some work on YouTube. This is just some extra funds which I'm getting from the channel. Okay, so I encourage most all of you to get engaged and start earning creating content on YouTube and earning some good amount of money. Okay, all right.